my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful healthy vegetables. Let's learn together with me. Light green color. Purple color in brinjal. I like the brinjal vegetable. Wow! Dark green color. Carrot leaves. Orange color in carrot. Full source of vitamin C. So nice. Light green color in tomato leaves. Red color in tomato. Pink color in garlic. Yellow color. Red color in mushroom. Yellow color. Light green color in broccoli. Dark green color in broccoli flower. Light green color in pumpkin. Red color. Pink color. Purple color. Yellow color. Looks very nice. Brown color in potato.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Skip to my loo. Wow! Kids, our beautiful healthy vegetables are ready. Subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.